guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys this glamorous makeup look, and today I am going to use only those makeups which are under 500, and this video is specially for beginners because I got so many of messages कि मैं suggest करूँ कुछ beauty products which are under 500. So I hope this video will help you. So if you are interested and want to see this how I create this glamorous look, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let me just start with skincare first, and I have nothing on my face right now. I mean nothing, no toner, moisturizer, anything, because without skincare makeup is just incomplete. And one disclaimer is that it's extremely hot right now, so you can may hear voice because fan is running. And secondly, I am currently on my periods right now, and currently I am wearing menstrual cup. It means that I am going to give review about menstrual cup very soon, like in detail review video. Okay, so first you need a good moisturizer to moisturize your face. So for that I have this is Garnier Wrinkle Left Moisturizer, and it costs 150 rupees. and इसका क्या ग्राम है I don't know. oh इसका ग्राम है 18 ग्राम. and I really love this moisturizer. मालविका सितलानी ने ये फर्स्ट रेकमेंड किया था, एंड उनकी रिकमेंडेशन से मैंने ये खरीदा था. एंड ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल मॉइस्चराइजर अंडरनीथ योर मेकअप, एंड नो मैटर व्हिच स्किन टाइप यू हैव, यू कैन ट्राई दिस. एंड इसका जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो इतना लाइट है दैट यू कांट इवन फील दैट यू हैव मॉइस्चराइजर ऑन योर फेस. एंड आई एम लाइक रनिंग आउट ऑफ इट, एज यू कैन सी मुझे नया बाई करना है. एनीवेज फर्स्ट I am going to apply it on all over my face, and by the way I have nothing on my face, and it has like a mild fragrance, and I really love this. So as you can see, it gives me a beautiful natural glow, and this is absolutely non-sticky. Okay, so next move on to primer. Primer is extremely important, so don't skip your primer. So for that I have this is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, and it cost 499, almost 500, but you can get a beautiful discount on Nykaa. This primer is beautiful, believe me. It really helps to minimize your pore and give you a beautiful canvas to work with. So it is a silicone based primer, and I am going to take little bit, not more than that. As you can see, I am taking little amount of primer. First I am going to rub between my fingers, and now I am going to apply it on my nose, forehead and hair. Whenever you apply primer को रब मत कीजिए, ऐसे प्रेस कीजिए. ऐसे प्रेस करने से क्या होता है, आपकी जो पोर्स है उसके अंदर प्राइमर जाता है एंड पोर्स को एक ब्लडी सा इफेक्ट देता है, which helps to give you a beautiful canvas to work with. So I am going to press like this on all over my nose. So as you can see immediately that यहाँ पर जो ग्लो था वो बिल्कुल मैट हो गया है. Even you can apply it on your cheeks, like if you have big pores on your cheeks, but I really don't have, thank God. So I'm going to use it here. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to foundation. For foundation I'm going to give you two recommendations. So first one is this is Biotique Natural Makeup. I have told about this foundation before कि ये मुझे कितना ज़्यादा पसंद है. I really love this. Like if you are a beginner and if you don't have like beauty blender and brushes, so this foundation is for you, because this foundation doesn't need anything like no beauty blender, no makeup brushes, anything. You can literally blend this with your finger. and मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस पे इसे इस्तेमाल किया था. That's why I'm not going to use this today. and इसका जो प्राइस है this is 350. and the next recommendation is this is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and मेरा जो शेड है this is 235 प्योर बेज. ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है एंड इसका प्राइस 500 है. एंड Maybelline Fit Me का एक ट्यूब फॉर्म आया है which is, if I am not wrong, 250 काइंड ऑफ अ प्राइस है. सो आप ये भी खरीद सकते हैं. अगर आप ट्रायल करना चाहते हैं तो आप छोटा वाला भी खरीद सकते हैं. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स दिस टू थिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइटर देन माई स्किन टोन, एज यू कैन सी, एंड दिस इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ डार्कर देन माई स्किन टोन. आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स दिस टुगेदर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट ऑन ऑल ओवर माई फेस. तो एज यू कैन सी कहीं पर भी कोई पैचीनेस या फिर ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि यहाँ पर फाउंडेशन जम गया है. नॉट लाइक दैट, बिल्कुल भी. आई रियली लव माई बेस. So to achieve a beautiful base, you need a good moisturizer, then a primer, and then a beautiful foundation. So yeah, my base is done and it really takes 1 minute या फिर 2 minutes to blend all my foundation. And now next move on to concealer. So for that my favorite concealer is this is Wet n Wild concealer. So I'm going to use concealer under my eye, and I generally don't use too much of concealer. I really don't like that. So for hiding your dark circle or any blemishes if you have on your face, use a concealer which absolutely matches your skin tone. Don't use lightening concealer, it looks really very odd, and this is very easy to blend also. You can use your finger to blend this. You really don't need any beauty blender to blend this concealer. This is absolutely blendable, so as you can see. एंड एज यू कैन सी कहीं पर भी क्रिसिंग नहीं है, मैंने फिंगर की मदद से ही ब्लेंड किया था, बट देयर इज नो क्रिसिंग. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सेट माई होल फेस एज माई फेस इज एक्सट्रीमली ऑयली. इफ यू हैव ड्राई स्किन डोंट सेट योर होल फेस, जस्ट सेट दोज एरिया जहाँ पर आपने कंसीलर इस्तेमाल किया है. सो अंडर 500 यू कैन गेट फिट मी कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर, बट आई रियली डोंट लाइक कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. आई रियली लव यूजिंग लूज पाउडर. सो फॉर दैट आई हैव दिस इज लैक्मी रोज पाउडर. एंड चीपेस्ट प्राइस में अगर कोई भी अच्छा लूज पाउडर है, सो दिस and it cost 160 rupees if I am not wrong. शायद थोड़ा सा अभी दाम बढ़ गया है, but I think not more than 200. and this is a beautiful powder. Believe me, if you don't have a budget to buy Maybelline Fit Me powder, no worry, you can buy this. and इसके ऊपर I think 2-3 शेड भी है. and if I am not wrong, my shade is pink, so I am going to use this powder on my all over my face. but first I am going to use concealer under my eye to avoid any creasing. Okay, so our base is absolutely done, and as you can see it's absolutely flawless. thoda sa you can see my pigmentation because I really don't like to hide my pigmentation or any spot. This is actually pimple marks. Anyway, now next move on to brows. So before that you need to hydrate your lips. So I am using Nivea lip balm. Okay, so now next move on to brows. So for that I think you know मैं क्या recommend करने वाली हूँ. Yes, this is Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. You can also buy LA color, but honestly if you are a beginner, I think Miss Claire eyebrow pencil is best, and it cost only 65 rupees I think. Okay, so this is my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and I am constantly using it. This is my second one. and this is in the shade dark brown. and Miss Claire eyebrow pencil पे बहुत सारा कलर वेरिएशन है. डार्क ब्लैक, लाइट ब्लैक, ग्रे, डार्क ब्राउन, लाइट ब्राउन, बहुत सारा वेरिएशन है. तो you can easily get your shade. If you don't know how to do your brows, I have a full dedicated video on it, so I'm going to link down in the description box, or here you can easily check that. Okay, so brows are absolutely done. Now next move on to eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow I have two recommendations, one for nude color, one for coloring color. For nude color eyeshadow palette I have this is Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. but if you love color, so for that I have this is Nika K eyeshadow palette, and this is like kind of a dupe of Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. and this is extremely pigmented. Believe me, this is hell pigmented and it doesn't give you any fallout, so which is best. and इसके ऊपर भी बहुत सारा shade range है. Okay, so today I am going to use this palette. I am not going to do a smoky kind of a look, but I am going to do a neutral but glam look. Okay, so first I am going to use this transition shade from here, and I am going to directly apply it on my crease. Okay, so to define my crease more, I am going to use this color. This is dark chocolatey shade, and with that same brush I am going to use this color. Now I am going to take this color. This is like a dark burgundy color of a shade, and I am going to use this color on my outer portion of my eye and also on my crease. and because I really don't want to make this chocolatey or browny, थोड़ा सा red tone के लिए I am using it. Okay, so base of our eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to do cut crease. Cut crease is very easy. Don't worry, you just need your concealer. And if you don't know where to cut your crease, don't worry. just use little bit of concealer like it and just do this. As you can see ऊपर लग गया है, तो यहाँ पर से आपकी जो क्रीज है वो कट होगा. So for that I am going to take this color. This is almost white kind of a shade. ये कैमरा पे white आ रहा है, but this is not exactly a white color. So with the help of my finger I am going to use this. So as you can see, and मैं यहाँ पर इसे अप्लाई करूँगी. But I am going to use glitter on top of it. So for that I am going to use this color. This is like a rose gold kind of a shade, and I really love this. This is so beautiful. Look at this. This is extremely pigmented, and look at this. This is so beautiful. Now to smoke out my lower lash line, I am going to use that same shade and going to smoke out my lower lash line. Our eye makeup is almost done. Just you need mascara to pop out your eye look more. So for that I am going to use this. This is Lakme Iconic Mascara, and constantly I am using it, and it's almost over. And ये भी I think 300 के अंदर ही है, 500 भी नहीं है, 300 के अंदर भी है. And if you want you can wear falsies, but I really don't like to wear falsies. I don't know, I have never tried falsies. I know it's very weird, but still if you want you can wear falsies. Okay, so our eye makeup is absolutely done. Now next move on to face makeup again. So if you like to do contouring or bronzing, I'm going to suggest you this. This is a sugar bronzer, and इसका price I think 400 के अंदर ही है if I am not wrong, लेकिन 500 के अंदर तो ज़रूर है. And it looks like this. I generally don't like to do contouring at all, but for the sake of this video I am going to do contouring today. But generally I really don't like to do contouring. So I am going to do little bit of like bronzing, not contouring. I am going to do bronzing, and as you can see my nose is quite sharp, इसलिए मैं कभी भी nose contouring नहीं करती हूँ. And if you don't know where to contour, just do like this. And as you can see the line, इसके ऊपर आपको contouring करना है. Don't contour your face underneath this line. Do this and contour above this line. Okay, so next step is blush. So for that I have two recommendations. First one is this. This is my absolutely favorite blush. This is Biotic Natural Makeup Blush, and it cost 450 rupees. And the next one is this. This is Fit Me blush, and इसका जो shade है, this is in the shade Wine. So today I am going to use as usual this blush. I love this, but don't use blush just on your apple of your cheek. Blush को अपनी nose से start करके अपनी contour area तक full आपको ऐसे apply करना होगा, otherwise it's look like a joker. तो as you can see मैंने यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके कंटूर लाइन तक मैंने ब्लश को जोड़ा है. इट लुक्स लाइक एक साथ सब कुछ है, अदरवाइज ये कंटूर लाइन ब्लश लाइन अलग अलग से अगर दिखेगा इट लुक्स रियली वेरी बैड. Blush can really make your face fresh, and blush is like my second most favorite thing. First one is brow and second one is my blush. Okay, so now next move on to our second last step, which is highlighter. So for that I am going to recommend this is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. I think आप लोगों को पता है, and this is in the shade Precious Petal. I generally use Beauty Blender to apply my highlighter. Like Beauty Blender की जो बट है उससे मैं highlighter इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. And whenever you use highlighter, don't use only here, use from here to here. So before applying lipstick, I am going to set my face. So for that I am going to use this. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Makeup Setting Spray, and इसका प्राइस भी 500 के अंदर ही है. ये जो व्हाइट बॉटल है it gives you a dewy look, and इसका जो ब्लैक टब है that will give you a matte finish look. So I am going to spray it on all over my face. Okay, so our makeup is set. Now next move on to our last step, which is lipstick. So for that I have lots of recommendation, and mostly sub recommendation nude है because I love nude color. But before that I am going to outline my lips with this lip liner. This is Miss Claire lip liner, and this is in the shade dark brown 2. I think इसका प्राइस 70 के आसपास है. This is extremely cheap. Believe me, Miss Claire की जो products है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा cheap है, but बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and this is extremely pigmented. Okay, so for lipstick, my first recommendation is this. This is Nykaa I think So Matte lipstick this is in mini form, and इसका जो price है I think this is 299 if I am not wrong, and this is in the shade, and as you can see this is like kind of a mauve shade. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा कलर वेरिएशन है, ब्राइट कलर है, पिंक कलर है. एंड माय नेक्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन इज दिस इज लैक्मी लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, एंड दिस इज लैक्मी फॉरएवर मैट लिक्विड लिप कलर, एंड इसका प्राइस आई थिंक 299 है या फिर 240 है. एंड ये लिक्विड लिपस्टिक है, एंड आई रियली लव दिस लिपस्टिक, एंड इट स्मेल्स लाइक चॉकलेट, एंड इसके ऊपर भी बहुत सारा कलर वेरिएशन है. एंड माई लास्ट रिकमेंडेशन इज दिस इज शुगर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, एंड ये मिनी फॉर्म पे आपको ये 4 मिलेगा. अगर आप चाहे तो अलग अलग भी खरीद सकते हैं. एंड लुक एट दिस इज सो क्यूट, एंड बिलीव मी लिपस्टिक खत्म कम ही होता है, सो इट बेटर टू बाई लाइक मिनी साइज के ऊपर आप बहुत सारा लिपस्टिक खरीद सकते हो. लाइक 500 से एक लिपस्टिक खरीदने से बेटर है कि मिनी साइज के आप 2 लिपस्टिक खरीद लो. एंड फर्स्ट वन इज दिस इज इन द शेड प्लम यम, एंड दिस इज इन द शेड हॉट एप्रिकॉट. एंड लेट मी सी क्या इस्तेमाल होता है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इधर दिस और दिस. लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई दिस. आई रियली लव दिस कलर. दिस इज इन द शेड हॉट एप्रिकॉट, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट. So look at this bright color and nude eye look really complements each other. So if you want you can leave it like this, but if you love glosses, so I'm going to suggest you this is Wet n Wild gloss, and I think मैंने इसे Hook Makeup से खरीदा था. I really love this color, so I'm going to use little bit of gloss today. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it and find something useful. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe and stay home.